Hello everyone, this is STARZ back again with another exciting video on how to grow nutritious microgreens at home. You might have seen many videos on microgreens, but this method has lots of specialities. It's absolutely zero budget. It's soilless for preventing microbial growth. It is hanging type, so no need to worry about our pets or rats. It is space saving. It can be also a living green room decor. Without wasting time, let's get started. For this, we need coconut fibers, an empty half of coconut shell, wood charcoal, seeds which you like to sow, plastic rope, scissors, knife, and water. Take coconut fiber sufficient enough to fill into the coconut shell. We should take the coconut shell having the butt side so that we can puncture it easily to make a hole, so water can be drained out easily. Now we have to put charcoal. It helps to absorb excess water and prevents microbial growth and rotting. Now fill the shell with coconut fibers and pack tightly so as to form a spongy bed. This helps in the easy growth of the tender roots. Cut the excess fiber so that it appears neat and tidy. The seeds have to be soaked in water for sprouting. Now I am adding some water to it. Keep it aside for 1 or 2 days. Now the seeds have been sprouted. Plastic ropes can be tied around the shells for hanging the shells. Choose the length according to your convenience. Like this, you want to tie the plastic rope. A hook made of iron string can be used for hanging the coconut shell. Hanging helps the microgreen shells away from the threats caused by pets or rats. Hanging also saves space in your home garden. Once the sprouts are ready, carefully transfer them to the fiber bed and spread evenly over it. And don't forget to water regularly twice in a day. After a couple of weeks, you can see your healthy, nutritious, green, lush, growing baby green ready to harvest. Hope you like this new method of microgreens. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon for notification.